Hi everyone, welcome to my toons. Grab your favorite markers, come along with me and let's draw our favorite characters together. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to draw Tigger and we're going to use a pencil. And after we're done with the pencil, we'll use a marker to go over the lines. So first up, what we're going to do, we're going to draw Tigger's nose. Now I'm just going to draw very lightly. And we're just gonna draw a nose, maybe like this. There we go. Just with a pencil, and don't worry if you make a mistake. We're gonna go over it with a marker and rectify our mistakes. And then we're just gonna draw the top part of the nose. Now from the nose, I want you to draw a curve down like this. Just a little curve down. And then we're gonna draw a smile. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a curve upwards. There we go. There we go, just a curve upwards. And now we're going to draw sort of an open mouth, and I'm going to draw a longer line down like this. And on this side, you're just going to draw another line that goes beside it, perpendicular to that, and then we're just going to close it off. And there's an open mouth, and inside we can draw a tongue. Now I'm going to make it, I think, a bit wider. So let's make this the tongue, and I'm just going to go and I'll make this a bit wider. So the mouth is a bit wider. There we go. Now here I'm going to draw this chin. I'm going to go down. I'm just going to draw a chin like this, and you're just going to do a line right there up as well. And now we're going to bring them all together, and you're going to have a jaw. And there we have the jawline. Now on the side, we're going to make two stripes just above the mouth. There's the first two stripes for Tigger. Then, time for the eyes. Now I'm going to draw a little button eye here. Here we go. And on this side, I'm going to draw another button eye. And if you make a mistake, don't worry, just go with your pencil over it. Now we're going to draw an ear. So what I want you to do is, right here on the side, we're going to start, and you're just going to draw a little curve outwards like this. And now right here, we're going to draw the front part of the head, as you can see, and we're going to go over and we're going to draw sort of this mask. So we're going to go there and a little mask, and then we're going to divide it like this. And now we're going to do the head. So I'm going to bring the ear down. So we made this little mark there. Now what I want you to do is just make a longer one up like this. Now that you've done that, you're going to connect the line like this. There we go. And now from here, we're going to go down and we're going to draw the head. Now there's Tigger's head. I can see immediately I made a mistake, and I did it with a pencil. Now the only thing you can do, forget your mistake, and I'm just going to extend my ear like this. Now here I made a mistake as well, and I'm not going to worry about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the lower part of the ear, and I'm going to take it up. So I'm making these mistakes purposefully because I want to show you how to repair, how to correct your mistakes. So there I did. I'm just ignoring this line, so I'm not even going to worry about this line. Later on we can take an eraser and take it out. Now I'm going to start here, and I'm going to do the inside of the ear like this. So there's the inside of the ear, and then here is the bottom of the head. Now this can be maybe like a dark a stripe for Tigger, that mistake. And this one will also be dark in color. Now right above the eyes, we're just going to go and we're going to draw. There we go. And there we have the eyebrows. Now we're going to draw Tigger's neck. And I'm just going to bring a line down, and on this side I'm just going to bring a line down like this as well. Now from here I am going to connect it. There we go. Then we need a few stripes. So there I'll draw a little stripe connecting back there, maybe a stripe here, another one there, and maybe we can draw another stripe there, and you can do this as well. Now right here on top, I think we can draw a little ear as well for Tigger, the other ear, and I'll just do this one as well. Good. Now there's Tigger, there's the rough sketch that we've done. Now we're going to go and we're going to take our marker and we're going to go over the lines. Right, so I'm going to start with the nose, and wherever I see a mistake, I'll just do the correct lines with the marker. Now the next one I'm going to do the nose here, and I'll just bring the marker down, and on this side I'm going to do the first part of the head. There we go. Then inside of that we're going to draw the eyebrows. I'm going to draw it a little bit smaller there, and then we're going to draw the eyes with the eye reflections, with the light reflections, sorry. And let's fill the pupils in. And I'm going to fill the eyebrows in as well. There we go. Next up, let's do the mouth. So we're going to go down, and then I'm going to draw it there. I'm going to draw the inside of the mouth, and I'm going to draw the tongue. Now I'm going to ignore this line that I made that was wrong, because we're going to take an eraser and we're going to erase everything that's wrong. And we're going to do the draw line, and we're going to connect it. Now right here I'm going to draw the two little stripes on the nose. I'm going to fill them in, and I'm just going to connect this line as well. Right, now on top. Now first let's do the ear. I'm going to do the ear that I did. There we go, and I'm going to go down, and I'm going to bring it up. Now my mistake, there's my mistake. I'm going to leave that line, and I'm just going to draw another inside of the ear there as well. And then from there I'm going to go down, and I'm going to do the neck part, connect it back, and you can go over the lines. And then of course we're going to do, there's my first little stripe, there's another stripe and another one, and then the last one here on the bottom, and I'm going to fill them in as well. Right, now on top we're going to do the head. I'm going to draw the head, connect it back to the ear, and then here at the bottom just continue with the head as well. Now I said I'm going to make this another stripe, which I'm going to pull in. There we go. And then on top there's another stripe just above the eyes, and we're just going to pull that in as well. And we'll fill that one in as well. Now right on top, last thing, Tigger's ear, and then of course just the neck area here for the other lighter color. Good, and there's Tigger. Now what you can do is you can take an eraser, you can erase when the ink is dry, erase all the mistakes you've made and color it in. And then check my picture out and try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.